Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame because that's a very important time frame for us. But one first thing I want to say is that the monthly is definitely still up, the weekly is definitely still up, and the daily is definitely still up, not only based on structure, but also based on the fact that we do not even have an engulfing move to the upside. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce. There's really no proof whatsoever on any of the higher time frames that the market is going to make a bigger move down. So please just keep that in mind as we go down to the 1 hour time frame because we have our Fibonacci retracement on here. Because all the higher time frames are up, we kind of need to assume that anything we see down could possibly just be another pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So if we get, any kind of a three-way pullback, if this possibly goes down to any one of these fib levels, then reverses back up, then we definitely need to keep looking for longs. All the higher time frames are telling us to look for longs. The US dollar index is still telling us that the dollar is down. So we have to continue to trade with the trend. We have to assume that anything we see to the downside, at least until the higher time frames give us proof otherwise, is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.